Hello students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello everybody and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today we are going to continue our medieval and early modern world history series by looking at the Spanish Empire. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. A flood of Spanish settlers and missionaries followed Cortés and the conquistadors to Spain's new empire. In time, a new culture emerged, expanding the Spanish Empire. After the fall of the Aztec Empire, the Spanish sent explorers and colonists to complete the conquest of new lands in the Americas. Spanish explorers Juan Ponce de León and Hernando de Soto claimed much of southeastern North America for Spain. Francisco Vázquez de Coronado explored the American Southwest. As the Spanish Empire expanded, Catholic Church authority grew as well. Church missionaries converted thousands of Native Americans to Christianity. Spain used the encomienda system, which gave European settlers the right to demand labor and financial support from Native Americans. Spanish colonial society was made up of distinct social classes. At the top were the Peninsulares, people born in Spain. Next came Creoles, American-born descendants of Spanish settlers, who owned plantations, ranches, and mines. Lower social groups included mestizos, people of Native American and European descent, and mulattoes, people of African and European descent. Native Americans and people of African descent occupied the lowest classes in society. Native Americans lacked immunity to European diseases. As a result, thousands died from diseases such as smallpox and measles. Jesuit and Franciscan priests from Spain began missions, or communities dedicated to spreading their faith or to educating and protecting people. Many Native Americans lived on or near missions, where they worked and attended school and church. Other Native Americans performed back-breaking work on plantations. When the harsh treatment led to a population decline among the native workers, plantation owners began bringing in African slave labor. And now, let's recap. After Cortés dropped the mic on the Aztec Empire, a wave of Spanish settlers, conquistadors, and missionaries swarmed the Americas, claiming land like it was Black Friday at a department store. Explorers like Ponce de León, de Soto, and Coronado grabbed the southeast and southwest for Spain, while Catholic missionaries got busy converting Native Americans to Christianity. Spanish society in the colonies turned into a strict caste system where being born in Spain made you royalty, peninsulares, but everyone else had to hustle. Unfortunately, Native Americans bore the brunt of disease, forced labor, and cultural upheaval. And when their numbers dwindled, plantation owners turned to African slaves to keep the economy running, proving the Spanish Empire wasn't just about exploration, but also exploitation. There you have it, folks. That is the Spanish Empire nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Expand the Nutshelled Empire by going absolutely nuts on those like and subscribe buttons for me. I demand it as Emperor. See y'all next time on Nutshelled History.